Today we are holding cabinet elections for the academic year 2020-21. Students are in high spirits today because all the students of high school, that is from grade 6 to 12, they are participating in cabinet elections of Narayana. For this elections, lot of practice and lot of arrangements were made from the past 10 days, couple of days. For this, what we have done is, firstly, we have divided the entire classes from grade 6 to 12 into 4 houses. Our 4 houses are the Nag house, Prithvi house, Trishul house and Agni house. And house-wise, we are going to select 2 captains and 2 vice captains. And in every house, we have also got 4 clubs, like the disciplinary club, the sports club, the ambience club and the cultural club. Every club has got captain as well as house captains. Then for every class, that is from grade 6 to 12, we have also got class leaders. So we are holding elections also for class leaders. And for the entire school, we have school head boy and school head girl. The student who will be getting the highest number of vote in grade 12 will be nominated as the school head boy, and the girl will be given the school head girl. And the next runner-up will be getting the deputy head boy and deputy head girl. So we are holding these elections in 3 schedules. The first schedule consists of the votes for grade 6 to 12 for school head boy and school head girl, and individual classes wise class leaders will be nominated. Likewise, house wise captains and vice captains will be nominated.
I am student of grade 10 of Narayana Kumti school. I'm so pleasure about the election system going on in our school. It is a net practice for us for future elections, how to elect a leader, a representative. We are giving the students are made to give net practice about the how to vote in an election system in the future. And this election system was totally same like which was done in which was going on in India, like 5 years, every 5 years. There is election booth, there is election commissioners, there are some representatives. There are more than voters, there are representatives, we can say, in a class.
Hi, my name is Meghavashini. I am from grade 9. I am studying in Narayana's Gomati school. Today we are conducting elections in this school. There are so many nominations in this election. We are conducting elections for school head boy, school head girl, CPLs, and for elections for respected groups. And I am playing a key role in this elections because I am NCC cadet, and we are providing security in this elections.
శుభమస్తు శుభమంగళ వస్త్రాలతో వివాహ వేడుకలు, కలకాలం నిలిచే మధుర స్మృతులు. శుభమస్తు.
శుభమస్తు షాపింగ్ మాల్, విఆర్సి సెంటర్, నెల్లూర్, వివి మహల్ రోడ్, తిరుపతి, ఎంజీ రోడ్, విజయవాడ.